Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video on the gas turbine. In previous video we discussed different classification of the gas turbine, and along with that even we studied open and closed cycle gas turbine and their working. Okay, now in gas turbine the major portion of the power developed by the turbine is utilized by the compressor, correct? So it can be reduced. Okay, see, if the major portion is utilized by the compressor, then we will get the very less output at the end, correct? So it can be reduced by the compressing the air in the two stages. Okay, so two stages we are compressing means we are using the two compressor in this in this process. Okay, with then an intercooler between the two, which increases the efficiency of the gas turbine. Okay, now a simple arrangement. Okay, a simple arrangement of the reheating gas turbine is as shown in the figure. Okay, which is consist of the a compressor, first a heater, second heater, okay, second turbine, and the at the end the cooling chamber. Okay, now what is the explanation of this? Now see here, in this turbine, the air first is compressed in the compressor. Now let us just see it. See the diagram. Now the air will be enter into the this compressor. Okay. Now what happen in the compressor? In compressor, the air will be compressed at the high temperature and the pressure. Now it will be from this compressor. It will pass into the first heating chamber. This is the first heating chamber, and then to the turbine. Okay, to the turbine it will pass here. Okay, now the air is once again passed to the now second heating chamber. Okay, two times we are passing the air into the heating heating chamber, and finally from this to the again to the turbine, and this turbine is coupled with the generator. Finally the air is cooled in the cooling chamber. Now whatever remaining air which is there will be passed through the cooling chamber and it is cooled, and once again it is passed through the compressor, and same air will be used during the entire process in a loop. This is the simple explanation of the gas turbine with the reheating. Fine. Okay, now next we will see a gas turbine with the intercooling. Okay, now as I told you, a major portion of the power developed, okay, by the cycle is utilized for the driving the compressor, correct? So it can be reduced with the help of the intercooler. Now what is the operation of this? See here, now at the beginning, okay, at the beginning what happens? Air is compressed. See this low air here. Now there are two compressor, okay, low pressure compressor and the high pressure compressor. At the beginning air will be passed through this low pressure compressor, and you know that in compressor the pressure and temperature of the air is increased. Okay, now this air is passed into the intercooler. Okay, see there is a intercooler, it will pass into the intercooler. Now in intercooler what happens, it will reduce the temperature of the compressed air to its original temperature with the constant pressure. Now pressure will be not be reduced, only the temperature of the air will be reduced. Now this air is compressed again. Now see, from the intercooler it will go to the high pressure compressor. Okay, this pressurized air now pass through the heating chamber. Now see here, there is a heating chamber, or we call it as the combustion chamber, where it is heated and then it is allowed to expand or flow over the turbine blades. These are the turbines blades to develop the work. Okay, means it will start rotating and it will generate the power which is coupled with the generator to produce the electricity. Okay, now finally the air is cooled in the cooling chamber and pass through the low pressure compressor, and this will go on repeating. Okay, so this is what the a simple process of the introducing the intercooler in the gas turbine in order to increase the efficiency of the cycle. Okay, I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.